The AI revolution, it's here. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. It's not science fiction anymore. AI is powering our smartphones, our cars, and even our homes. For engineers, understanding AI is no longer optional. It's essential for success in today's rapidly evolving job market. The demand for engineers with AI skills is skyrocketing. Companies across all industries are looking for people who can build and use AI systems. Why? Because AI is transforming how we design, manufacture, and maintain everything from bridges to medical devices. Ignoring AI is like ignoring the internet was back in the 1990s. Just like the internet revolutionized how we communicate and access information, AI is revolutionizing how we solve problems and create value.
AI is changing the very nature of engineering work. Repetitive tasks are being automated, freeing up engineers to focus on more creative and strategic challenges. Imagine a world where AI algorithms can handle complex calculations and simulations in seconds. This allows engineers to explore more design options and optimize for performance, cost, and sustainability. But it's not just about automation. AI is also giving engineers superpowers. With AI, we can analyze massive data sets to uncover hidden patterns and insights. This enables us to make better decisions, design more efficient systems, and even predict potential problems before they occur. For example, civil engineers can use AI to optimize traffic flow in cities, reducing congestion and emissions. Mechanical engineers can use AI to design lighter and more fuel-efficient vehicles. And biomedical engineers can use AI to develop personalized medical treatments tailored to individual patients.
Let's dive into some more specific examples. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are working alongside human operators to assemble products with incredible precision and speed. This collaboration is increasing productivity, improving quality, and creating safer working environments.
In the energy sector, AI is being used to optimize the performance of